This is it. Money is on the line. There's $20,000 up for grabs today. These guys are super focused right now. You got some of the greatest players in the world. You got some of the biggest YouTubers.
They are the zombie world champions.
We have no idea what to expect from these teams. First place team taking home $10,000.
This is the zombie world championship.
Hey guys, I'm super excited to bring some information to you guys about the ZWC2. I really enjoyed last year's, and huge shout out to those guys for putting this together. The prize pool this year is $30,000, so that's huge. That's a step up from last year, and they also added some new events for ZWC2. So I want to go over some of the details for this event. In the end, there's going to be 8 winners chosen from all the competitions. Right now, the online competition is going on, and you can still enter. It's free to sign up for their website, and right now it's $10 to get a player pass, and that's good until July 9th. That's when the online tournament ends, and this pass will let you compete in all 7 challenges, and they're all available right now. So there's going to be one for the Shadowed Throne, Moon, the Mephistopheles boss fight, the Shadows of Evil first room, Derice round 50 speed run, Origins duo Easter egg, and Kino round 100 speed run. They are currently taking in entries and checking out videos, and right now on their website you can see who the current leaders are that they have posted. For the Origins duo Easter egg speed run, it's 56 minutes and 14 seconds. They're also showing the Derice round 50 speed run, and right now the time to beat is 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 33 seconds. They're also doing a little bit of a spin on the competition this year. It's called ZWI. They're inviting 2 winners who meet the ZWI Golden Ticket competition requirements. The 2 Golden Ticket winners will be invited to compete against the zombie influencers for a chance to be one of the top 8 in the ZWI and get a seat as a finalist in the ZWC2. To be eligible for the ZWI, you need to create a video on why you should be invited. You must have at least 1,000 followers on any video platform, YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer. And finally, you need to purchase a $10 player pass and then complete one of the 7 challenges that's a part of the online competition. Another competition that they're going to be hosting is the Zombies LAN Party. There's a $1,000 prize pool and only for ultra rare ticket holders, and those ticket holders will compete in a half-day Zombies tournament against each other during the week of ZWC2 finals. And here's the cash prize breakdown for the players that come in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. For people that are wanting to actually attend the August 5th competition in Los Angeles, there's 3 different tickets that you can purchase. There is an early bird option for all 3 tickets if you purchase by July 1st. For the classic ticket, you're going to get admission to the ZW2 finals, which is on August 5th, and you're also going to get a limited edition poster. For the mega ticket option, you're going to be able to watch the ZWC2 finals on August 5th, which is on a Sunday, and then you're also going to be able to watch the ZLAN party, which is going to be either the Wednesday or Thursday before that, which is August 1st or 2nd. In addition to that, you get to do a meet and greet with the YouTubers, you get a ZWC2 drawstring bag, and then you get to spin a magic wheel at the finals. For the 3rd option is the ultra rare ticket, and you get a ton of stuff with this. You're going to get VIP admission, you're going to get to play in the ZLAN tournament, meet and greet with the YouTubers, and get professional photos with them. You have access to the VIP lounge and also stage side seats during the finals, unlimited drink voucher with a shirt, poster, and a bag. You get 1 raffle ticket into an autographed Zombies PS4 Pro. That's awesome. You get to spin the magic wheel, and then you also get a free player pass to enter the online tournament. To sign up and register and to get your passes, go to zombiesworldchampionship.com. On there, you can check out all the event details and see who is in first place. I'll be giving away some passes from my Twitter, so definitely check that out if you guys get a chance. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.